So today I'm gonna be going through and telling you guys exactly how I do a bathroom step by step. As I have the video in the background, I'm gonna talk over. This is my first time doing this, so I don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll see. Hope you guys enjoy. So right now I'm cutting up the 2-inch pipe to mark up where the sink is gonna go and where the tub is gonna go. So this is the sink. I'm gonna get this first because it's closest to the pipe, and I'm gonna be using a 3x2 Y with a streak 45 to go directly to the sink. Now that I have glued the 3x2 Y with level, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a 3-inch piece of 2-inch pipe so that I can go ahead and put the 2x2 Y going up to the tub. Now usually I connect the 45 to this 2x2. Here I completely forgot, and it's not very smart to do that because sometimes to stick the 45 after you already stuck the Y's, it gives you struggles, but here luckily it didn't give me no struggles. Now we're moving on to the toilet, and the toilet has to be exact. There's no excuses. If you're off by an inch or anything like that, you're in big trouble pretty much, and you have to go back and break concrete. Now here we're gonna use a 22-inch fitting so we can go straight to the toilet. I tried to use a 45 and it was just not giving me the angle, and I had to improvise. I didn't have any 22 sadly, so I had to go to my dad's truck, which was across the street, and get a fitting from him. And as you can see, I also forgot the 90. This is how good I got it in my truck. I didn't have to make that walk. And right here I just connect the pipe to the 90 to make it easier. Sometimes I do it the other way, but when it's like this, I can just put the level right on top of the 90 and get the angle right. After you connect the toilet, you always want to check both sides to have the perfect measurement. You're gonna cover it up and dig it up so that I can stick it and there's no moving that pipe. Okay, now that we have exactly where the sink goes, we're going to cut a little piece off of the pipe and connect the 90 to it. And afterwards, we're going to put a pipe straight across behind the toilet and have a 45 straight to the tub and connect our trap to it. And I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this and not talk over it anymore. So enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we're out of here.